Hey everyone, welcome to Break the Tech. Today we're diving into something we all use every single day but might not fully understand. The internet. How does it actually work? How do cat videos, emails, and your favorite Netflix shows get to your screen in milliseconds? In this video, we're breaking it down into simple, bite-sized pieces. By the end, you'll know the magic behind the internet and maybe impress your friends with some tech trivia. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So what is the internet? At its core, the internet is a global network of computers that talk to each other. Think of it like a giant web connecting billions of devices. Your phone, your laptop, servers and data centers, even smart fridges. These devices share information using standardized rules called protocols. It's like a universal language that lets a computer in Tokyo send a meme to someone in New York instantly. But how does this happen? It all comes down to a few key pieces: devices, networks, and data. Let's break it down step by step. When you open YouTube or send a message, your device, like your phone or computer, connects to the internet through a local network. This could be your home Wi-Fi or your phone's data plan. Your device talks to a router or modem, which acts like a traffic cop, directing data to and from the internet. Your router connects to an internet service provider, or ISP, like Comcast or AT&T. The ISP is your gateway to the broader internet, linking your home to a massive network of cables, servers, and data centers. Here's where it gets cool. When you click a link or stream a video, the information doesn't travel as one big chunk. Instead, it's broken into tiny pieces called data packets. Think of these like letters in an envelope, each carrying a small part of the data, like a piece of a video or an email. Each packet has an address, kind of like a GPS tag, saying where it's from and where it's going. These packets can take different routes across the internet to reach their destination, which makes the system super efficient and resilient. If one path is blocked, the packets find another way. So how do these packets know where to go? That's thanks to protocols, the rules that govern the internet. The most important ones are TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, and Internet Protocol. IP is like the postal service, figuring out the best route for packets to travel. TCP makes sure all the packets arrive in the right order and none get lost. Then there's HTTP, or HTTPS for secure sites, which is how your browser talks to websites. When you type youtube.com, HTTP sends a request to YouTube's servers, and they send back the data to display the page. Okay, so your packets are zooming around, but how do they travel across the globe? This is where the internet's backbone comes in. A network of high-speed fiber optic cables, satellites, and undersea cables that span continents. Yes, there are literal cables under the ocean connecting countries. These cables carry massive amounts of data at the speed of light. Data centers filled with powerful servers store and process the websites, apps, and videos we use. When you watch this video, YouTube servers in a data center somewhere send those packets through the backbone to your ISP, then to your device. Ever wonder how typing google.com gets you to Google? That's thanks to the domain name system, or DNS. Every website has an IP address, like 142.250.190.78 for Google. But who's remembering that? DNS is like the internet's phone book. When you type a website's name, your device asks a DNS server to translate it into an IP address, which points to the right server. Let's see it in action. Imagine you're streaming this video. Here's what happens. You click play on YouTube. Your device sends a request via your router to your ISP. The request is broken into packets and sent through the internet's backbone using TCP/IP. DNS translates youtube.com to an IP address, finding YouTube's servers. YouTube servers send the video data back as packets, which travel through cables and reassemble on your device. Your browser uses HTTP to display the video, and voila, you're watching me. All this happens in milliseconds. Mind-blowing, right? Understanding how the internet works helps us appreciate its complexity and power. It's not just about streaming or scrolling. It's about billions of devices working together seamlessly. Plus, knowing the basics can help you troubleshoot issues, like why your Wi-Fi is slow, or stay safe online by understanding how data travels. Here's a crazy stat. As of 2025, over 5 billion people are online, And there are trillions of data packets moving every second. The internet handles everything from Zoom calls to self-driving car updates. It's like the world's busiest highway, and it's only getting bigger. And that's how the internet works. From your device to undersea cables to servers around the world, it's an incredible system that keeps us connected. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn about tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.